Meaning of decompressor.
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 Decompressor. A decompressor is a software or hardware component used to reverse the compression process, which reduces the size of data for storage or transmission purposes. The decompressor takes compressed data as input and extracts the original data from it, restoring it to its original size and format. This process involves deconstructing the compressed data by reversing the algorithm used to compress it. The result of decompression is an exact replica of the original data, which can be used for further processing, editing, or display without any loss of information.